Hi, in front of me is Samsung Galaxy A90 5G, and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply colorful edges on this device. Firstly, open Play Store and type edges. Then download this app from this developer. Now open it and tap on one of these themes, for example that one. Name it, click OK Creative and close an app. Over here you can customize your edges however you want. For example, you can change run style, add pattern, change animation speed, border size, and many other things. When you're done, but you want to leave your current wallpaper, pick one of these sources, for example photos. Select the photo, adjust it, and tap at the top right corner. Then click Create. Tap on the theme that you created and choose Enable Wallpaper. Then click on Set Wallpaper and decide if you want it to be on home screen or home screen and lock screen by tapping on one of the options. Now when I go back, I can see that my edges were successfully applied. But if you want to see them when you use apps, go back into the app, click Home, scroll all the way down and tap on the switcher next to Enable Overlay Other App. Then choose Yes, tap on the switcher next to Allow Permission, go back. And sometimes you have to go back to the app, so I will do that right now. Go into Home again and tap on the same switcher one more time. As you can see, now I can see my edges when I use apps. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!